Redirecting to URL in Flask. I'm new to Python and Flask and I'm trying to do the equivalent of response.redirect as in ch.ea, redirect to a specific URL. How do I go about this? Here is my code.
You have to return a redirect. See the documentation on Flask docs. The default value for code is 302, so code equals 302 can be omitted or replaced by other redirect code, 1 in 301, 302, 303, 305, and 307.
Take a look at the example in the documentation.
From the Flask API documentation, v2.0.x. Flask.redirect location, code equals 302. Response equals none returns a response object. A was the application that, if called, redirects the client to the target location. Supported codes of 301, 302, 303, 305, and 307. 300 is not supported because it's not a real redirect, and 304 because it's the answer for a request with defined if modified since headers.new in version 0.6. The location can now be a Unicode string that is encoded using the iri_to_uri function. Parameters. Location. The location the response should redirect to. Code. The redirect status code. Defaults to 302. Response. Class. A response class to use when instantiating a response. The default is vect_soit.wrappers.response if unspecified.
I believe that this question deserves an updated. Just compare with other approaches. Here's how you do redirection 3xx from one URL to another in Flask 0.12.2. For other official references, here.
Isso, olha, tu se lá, vive com esse